In today's world, we rely on technology for everything from communication to transportation. Aerial imaging platforms such as drones are fast becoming a technological tool for safely and effectively gathering information. And now, with the advancement of UAV photography, we have a new tool at our disposal for commercial and enterprise applications. The use cases are endless. Construction site progress monitoring and equipment asset inspection is just one high-speed example. Aerial imaging service providers like ours at Hard Hat Aerial Imaging utilize drones to capture high-resolution images and video for a variety of industries. For example, in construction, drones can be used to monitor progress, inspect structures, and identify potential hazards. In renewable energy, drones can be used to inspect and maintain solar panels and wind turbines, increasing efficiency and reducing downtime. Certain UAV platforms can fly over solar panels with high-resolution thermal imaging cameras to inspect them for defects or improper or low performance. Drones are a new tool in the agricultural toolbox and are used for everything from determining crop health to inspecting herds for proper management. In agriculture, drones can provide valuable data on crop health and growth, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation and fertilization. The versatility of drone technology is endless. Here we monitor a shipping port. In logistics, drones can be used to track inventory, monitor shipping containers, and even deliver packages to remote locations. Real estate photos and video for marketing deliver some stunning promotional materials. And in environmental monitoring, drones can be used to survey coastlines, track wildlife populations, and monitor forest fires. Whether it's for construction, renewable energy, agriculture, logistics, or environmental monitoring, our drone services can help businesses save time, money, and resources while improving safety and accuracy. At Hard Hat Aerial, we have a team of experienced pilots and technicians who use the latest drone technology to provide accurate and reliable data for our clients. All pilots FAA Part 107 certified. Contact us today at 763-309-6303 to learn how we can help your business soar to new heights with the power of drone technology. www.hardhataerial.com